First, make the body of the fish and make the tail. Next, make the fish's eyes, gills, and fins. Then color it with a base color light blue. Color the top part green. Next, color the lower part blue. Add some details using dark green and dark blue. Color the fins and the tail. Color the area around the fish's eyes yellow. Then color the center part. Add additional color details. Enhance the color to make it more stand out. Add highlights to make it look shiny. Add a background to make it look better. And done!